Nagbabalik ang nag-iisang nagnanatatanging Shakey's Billy. 10 taon na po tayong magkakasama. 16-6 ang bilang natin. Lamang ang kupunan ng Smart. Sabi nitong dalawang, palagay ko, taga-PNP itong dalawang to. Sabi nila, ba, hindi yata tayo umaarangka daw. Sultones, eh? Then I like her name. It's Gretchel.
Gretchel Sultones. No, but, you know, looking at that uniform that we showed earlier, I saw a lot of it and all those yung relief operations on Facebook.
Of course.
Galing.
Saka alam mo, itong
Hats off.
buti ka, may wifi nung panahon ng ano ko, walang naagawan pa ako ng asawa ko, so anong magagawa ko? Pero yung PNP, maganda ho ang ginawa nung panahon ng ating habagan. Samantala, balik sa volleyball. Concepcion. Hello, sabi ni Molina.
Oh, lapit.
Adjust si Banaticol. Doblete.
Yeah. Pero tong Smart, no, you gotta like their attitude also sa depensa.
Yeah. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's Billy. Alam mo, dahil magkalaban yun itong Smart, ang tagal nila magkalaban. Ang ganda ng amuyan nila. They know each other's game. In the meantime, the serve is into the net and it becomes 18-8.
Well, so far, obviously, Coach Roger, diba, doing a good job. Now, trying to, you know, mixing. These players are from different schools and organizations, pero ngayon, they're together, isang team.
And the interesting part is, some of them have been guest players at one time in one other's program, diba?
That's
true. In the meantime, that's outside, and it's 19-8. An easy first set for Smart here.
Itong si Sue Roses nga, parang ang dami na niyang sinuot na different colored uniform.
Ano daw siya, guest player ng bayan. Sabi nga yan sa ating coffee table book. We're gonna have a time to probably sneak in to listen to the PNP timeout.
Okay, receive na tayo. Service lang ang wala.
Okay na.
(19-8) po ang bilang natin at ang habol mo if you're a new team pag yan sa very strong lineup, you want to gain some consistency, bigyan mo na magandang laban as we always say.
Well, you know, I like nga yung sinabi ni Coach Malena during that huddle. Sabi niya, maganda na depensa natin, service, you know, parang he's giving specific instruction kung ano kailangan yung focus ng
Good point,
team.
yeah. Parang ito na yung operational logistics natin, ito yung kailangan natin gawin. Ana Veronica Concepcion, who I think is the assigned setter, takes care of the serve. Oh, look at Sue Roses. Hindi pinilit. Natawa siya sa kalokohan niya.
You can, alam mo ito, Sue Roses, kanina ba yan nagsisave ng mga bola ng Smart?
Siyang tigalinis ng kalat ng kanyang mga maliliit na kapatid.
Correct.
Gulo-gulo niyo. Si Charo, balik na naman. This has always been the asset of Charo's game. Her serve.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Well, there, alam mo, that's a good example, no? Libero, people will jump up to get it, eh. Tapos overhand or overhead. A coach will always tell you, bumaba
Stay down,
ka.
stay down.
If you jump, obviously out na yun, di ba?
You know, that's why coaches through the years, they sound like broken CDs, eh. Paulit-ulit, stay down, baba, back.
12 out, 17.
Ogana is back in the game for Dabe. In the meantime, here's Michelle got the win with the serve. 21-10.
Got the win.
Commanding lead by Smart.
Nice ding. To the back row. Butas kay Judge.
Well, itong Smart, medyo enjoying too much in that play.
Shakey's. If it's one family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. In the meantime, Michelle, second tour of duty on the serve. Sultones, Ruby. Double touch. Okay, hindi nag-connect. Hindi napalo na solid yun eh.
That's right. Actually, medyo mababa yung set.
Okay. So parehong may kasalanan doon. So maybe sometimes the spiker or the attacker will make the decision. Huwag natin pilit. That's hard to do. I mean, this game is a game of fractions of seconds. Eh. Bang! Don't give this lady a chance to smile because she'll pounce on every opportunity.
Sue Rosas, we're talking about her earlier. Magandang question yun eh. Anong color pinakabagay kay Sue in terms of
Sa dami ng uniforming na suit niya rito sa bilig. Ano?
Nag-yellow.
Nag-San Sebastian na yan.
UST rin.
UST, nag-Ateneo pa yan. And when Roger Gorayev was asked to form that national team, rather hastily after the first conference, but that couldn't be avoided. Sue Rosas was definitely a member of that group.
Oh, yeah.
22-13.
Good serve.
Ganda. Hello, combination. Oh, look at that twirl by Gohing. Hello, it's in the air. Pinaluan sa kabila. Nice chance to reset here. Hindi pa solid yung connection ni Guliman at saka ni,
Ayan.
ni Ruby. Hindi pa sila swak sa isa't isa. Timing eh.
But talaga you gotta love yung play niya, yung distribution of sets, no? Sue Rosas got to touch that.
Yeah, good point.
Guliman, even Soltones. Yung next nga, si Ruby na mag-over.
Ayaw niyo, ako na.
Oh, sabi sa'yo.
Sabi sa'yo.
Smart now accepted.
It's just how dangerous tong game ni Ruby De Leon. If her players, even if they're connecting, kaya niya pa rin mag-score.
Service.
Parang she knows that exact moment when to dump it over. She doesn't always do it. Pero yung timing niya napaka-impeccable. Tadeo, the libero, got it. Oh, through the back row, actually. That found a way to go home.
One set
Marciano.
point.
Marciano's been scoring well, as you pointed out earlier. Yes, she has good height
Yep.
on her jump.
Very athletic.
Soltones, and that's off the block. And we're done with the first set. Quickly at that.
That's right. Itong smart squad cruising dito sa first set. But, maganda pa rin yung pinakita ng PNP.
Yeah, they managed to get some points together. They, as their coach pointed out, better defense. And that's our shake and play. We're done with the first match, first set, 25-14.